Rob here of VNXPH, and today we'll be unboxing the IN24C25 LED monitor from Nvision. Let's check this out. The IN24C25 has a curved 23.8-inch Full HD SMVA display at 75Hz with an updated round base stand. This gives it more stability, which we would have to talk about later in the video, but aesthetically better than the old one. In the box you get the base. It has rubber feet to keep it in place. The HDMI cable. The white painted stand with screws on it, so you won't have any problems mixing up the screws if that happens. The stand though only has one screw at the top, which keeps the monitor in place. You have your user manual in the little bag with extra screws. The power adapter. And the star of the night, the monitor itself. On the back of the monitor you have holes for a mounting bracket and the stand connector. As you can see, the new stand isn't stable at all, but it's not that bad. Behind the monitor, under the stand mount, you have the ports for your power adapter, audio out, VGA, and HDMI. It comes with a cover, but it's pretty much useless unless you really have flexible cables. Now, this doesn't come with buttons, instead a small LED joystick controller that lights up. Blue means it's on, and flashes of red and blue if there's no signal coming from your computer. Moving the joystick up, you can access your monitor settings, which are easy to navigate. Let's plug this in and see this baby in action. I'm playing Warframe at max settings that the monitor can handle, and it isn't that bad, but I don't think this would be the right monitor for you if you're going to be gaming full time. This monitor may not be good for gaming, but it makes up for editing videos. Here I'm editing using DaVinci Resolve 17. For video editing on a budget and light gaming, this would be a monitor I would recommend. But if you're going to be gaming more, you need something better. But overall, it's a good deal for only 5,400 pesos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this. Peace.